Eco-conscious living at its finest, this project boasts a prestigious IGBC Silver rating for eco-friendliness, ensuring a greener future for you and the planet. Riverside strolls, endless views, indulge in leisurely walks and breathtaking vistas along a stunning 6.36-acre riverside promenade. Become a sports superstar, challenge yourself on the tennis court, showcase your skills at the skating rink, conquer the squash court, dominate the basketball court, or even bat it out on the cricket pitch. Unwind, recharge, and explore within the premises. Discover a world of amenities, a yoga lawn for serenity, an amphitheater for entertainment, a pet park for furry friends, a camping trail for adventure, a mini theater for movie nights, and a retail plaza for convenience. Education within reach. Invest in your child's future with the BK Birla Public School just 4 kilometers away. Rest assured, Ayush Hospital, a trusted healthcare provider, is also conveniently located 5.2 kilometers away. Total plot or project area acres 19 acres, equivalent to multiple cricket grounds. Total recreational plot or project area 4,401.6 square meters, equivalent to multiple basketball courts. Quadruple the options. This exciting project boasts 4 proposed buildings, each offering unique features and catering to diverse lifestyles. Find your perfect fit. With 4 sanctioned buildings, you're guaranteed to discover an apartment that perfectly aligns with your needs and aspirations. 4 buildings, endless possibilities. Explore a world of variety with 4 distinct buildings and discover a diverse range of 985 apartments, each catering to different lifestyles and preferences. The perfect fit for every dream, cozy 1 to BHK configurations to suit your needs. Smart space utilization, apartments ranging from 355 square feet to 611 square feet offer efficient living areas, maximizing comfort without sacrificing functionality. Soaring high with stunning views, indulge in breathtaking panoramas with the project's impressive 22 floors. Path to your future. Rest assured, this project boasts a clean legal record with no records found in litigation searches. Transparency matters. Your investment is secure with this RERA registered project. Registration ID P517000325552. Parking made easy. Enjoy the convenience of Ace the Serve. Challenge your friends and family on a dedicated badminton court. Laughter joy for the little ones. Let your kids create lasting memories in a safe and imaginative children's play area. Ace your serve. Perfect your backhand on a state-of-the-art tennis court. Hoops for all. Shoot some hoops with loved ones on the on-site basketball court. Glide with grace, lace up your skates and hit the smooth surface of our very own skating rink. Dive into relaxation, cool off and make a splash in a sparkling swimming pool, perfect for Mumbai's warm weather. Get your daily dose of green, unwind and exercise on a well-maintained jogging track surrounded by nature. Sunsets made spectacular, bask in the sun and enjoy breathtaking views from a stunning sun deck. Clubhouse camaraderie, mingle with neighbors, host events, or unwind in a stylish clubhouse. Park with peace of mind. Secure your car in our dedicated covered car parking area. Find your escape in nature. Lush landscaping and thoughtful tree planting create a serene and eco-friendly atmosphere. A sustainable future. Do your part for the environment with a sewage treatment plant that ensures responsible waste management. Clean living starts here. This project implements a comprehensive solid waste management and disposal system, promoting a clean and healthy environment. Safety first, always. A comprehensive firefighting system ensures complete peace of mind. Power through workouts. Never miss a beat with a fully equipped gym. Rain, go away. A well-designed stormwater drainage system ensures peace of mind during monsoon season. Ambivli Station, a convenient 1.9 km for local travel. Kalyan Station, explore the city center, just 4.9 km away. Vithalwadi Station, a scenic 5.2 km journey awaits. Ulhasnagar Station, weekend getaways or late night dashes. Easily accessible at 5.9 km. Shahat Station, just 1.5 km away for a quick commute. Peace of mind with exceptional care. Ayush Multispecialty Hospital, a leading emergency and critical care facility, is just 1.1 km away, ensuring immediate access to top-notch medical attention whenever you need it. Shop with ease. Find everything you need at Reliance Digital, conveniently located just 900 meters away.